The rotational mirroring is now correct for all possible XY mirror bits. So here's the rotation for not mirroring on anything, and then here's mirroring on the X, here's mirroring on the X and Y, I think, and then here's mirroring just on the Y. And yeah, yep, that's exactly what it is. It all looks good. It looks perfect. The rotation is working correctly no matter what the mirroring bits are. Let's look at the code. So we're at the 462. We're on video 462. We're going to look at the 462 delta. So let's go. In the Mermaid function section within our rotate by a direction flag function, so we're going to take the input binary tile and rotate it counterclockwise or clockwise, depending on if this is negative or positive 1. The first thing we're going to do is assign the direction directly to the direction for midground, background, and foreground. They're initially all the same, but the mirroring bits will change the direction. So let's go down here. Monkey wrench macros, and this is the mask for the midground, background, and foreground mirroring bits. This is the shifting amount for the midground, background, and foreground mirroring mask. We're going to mask out the values we're interested in and then shift them into the least significant bit place. We're going to look at the Y bit here and invert our direction if it's set. We're going to look at the X bit here and invert our direction if it's set. This is for the midground. We'll do the same for the background and the foreground right here. And then down here, we're going to increment by the direction flag for the midground, background, and foreground. Bounds check the upper limit and go back down to 0 if we exceed. Bounds check the lower limit, go back up to the last rotation code if we go past the lower bound. And that's all we did. So we got some footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.